All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're headed out to Keystone. We just stopped and got some gas. I got myself a coffee, some Gatorade. Yeah, I had about 4 bites of pizza and dropped that shit. So yeah, today's going. But full tank of gas. See you at Keystone.
Work backwards just for a minute. I'd hold on to you before the memories gone. I remember you.
All right, guys, made it out here to Keystone. Up there, check that shit. New camera today. Got the Insta360. Rocking the X3. So, not sure how mic is, but we're gonna test it out and see how it sounds. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to the top. Going out school mark, nice little run in. No clue how audio sounds, but give it a try. See what it sounds like. So I apologize in advance if the audio is bad. It's so nice over there. So I'll tell people like that. Huge booter. That's it. Oh, this is scary. Just off in the middle. Absolutely loving the looks everybody's giving me. Everybody's looking at me like crazy. Holding a big old pole. View's great, but let me tell you, it's icy, really icy. French. What the hell is it? No, wait, go. This run before. Nice. Please no moguls, please no moguls, please no moguls. Pretty sick. Oh yeah, that's another one there. No! Holy crap, it's so chattery. Oh, that was sick. First start recording. Oh, yeah.
And if my mind worked backwards just for a minute, I'd hold on to you before the memory's gone. I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you, you make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember, remember, I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you, you make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember, remember. When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind worked backwards just for a minute, I'd hold on to you before the memory's gone. I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you, you make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember, remember, I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you, you make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember, remember.
Oh, I need a break. So tired. Oh. I'm tired. Insanely tired. I actually didn't record like 2 or 3 runs. So yeah, fuck that up. Alright guys, wrapping up Keystone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time.